यस।
ये लास्ट में 2 कहाँ से आया है ये वाला?
कौन सा?
प्रभु जी, आई विल शो यू जस्ट प्रभु जी,
he's asking in the binary
ये
equivalent there is 10 and
ये वाला प्रभु जी 2 कहाँ से?
ये
यस प्रभु जी।
2 को तुम 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो कितना बचेगा? क्वोशंट कितना आएगा?
2 आया।
हाँ, तो ये 2 आया इसलिए।
ओके,
कोई और करना पड़ेगा। प्रभु जी,
Okay, so
we still have doubt in this, Prabhu ji, this and this.
so you can see how it is written 139 base 10. Base 10 का मतलब होता है कि इसका base 10 है. It means it is decimal number. 139
Okay,
is a
in
decimal.
logarithmic form.
And this is here it is written base 2, means it is binary number. Okay. So by the base we can identify this number is binary number or decimal number. Okay, there are many other number system also. There is octal number system, there is hexadecimal number system, that also we will study.
Yes.
But for the time being we will study these two number systems, decimal and binary.
यस।
Okay.
So if I give you another number 53, can you convert it into decimal binary number?
Yes,
yes.
Its conversion will be. Can I do it, Prabhu ji? On the
yes.
board.
Yes.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। 110101।
What is the answer?
10101।
10101.
pen.
Is this the answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll check.
Yes.
So you divide 2, you will get here remainder 1. Okay, and it will go 26 times. Okay.
11001.
11001.
0101. 0101.
Okay, so you again divide it by 2, you will get here remainder
13 0। हाँ,
okay, below you will get 13। So
प्रभु तो ये हर एक को 2 से ही करना है।
हाँ, divided by 2 you will get remainder 1। Here you will get 6। Then again divide by 2, you will get remainder 0. Here you will get 3।
10101.
Divided by 2, so you will get here 1, and here you will get remainder 1. Okay, so you are getting here 1 1 1
1 0 10101.
0
110.
ओके।
Okay.
प्रभु जी आपने 2 नहीं लगाया?
हाँ, यहाँ पे you have to write here 2. Base is 2. Okay, so by this we understand this is a binary number. So this was decimal to binary, Now here we'll see binary to decimal. You can see here, this is binary number is given. Here the binary number is given. We have to convert it into its decimal equivalent. Okay. So how it is done? First number is multiplied. From the right side we take the numbers. Okay. Right side number is 1. And we multiply it with 2 to the power 0. We start with 2 to the power 0. Okay. So 1 is multiplied with 2 to the power 0. Then plus. Then what is the next number? From the right side, what is the next number?
1.
1. You see? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So next number is 1. You multiply it with 2 to the power 1. Okay. Then plus next number is 0. Next number is 0. You multiply it with 2 to the power 2. Plus what is the next number?
Next number is 1.
1. You multiply it with 2 to
1.
the power 3. Okay. Then 0. So there is no need to multiply
0.
with 0, but just for a proper
Sake of an
so that proper sequence is maintained, we write 0, because 0 into 2 to the power 4 becomes 0.
0.
Okay, so it has no value. But so that because there may not be any mistake in this writing the powers, therefore we write it. Then again 0 into 2 to the power 5, again 0 into 2 to the power 6, then 1 into 2 to the power 7. So you have to
7.
write 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Then 2 to the power 1 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Then this terms become 0. Third term. Then fourth term. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Then these two terms become 0. These three terms multiplied by 0. Then comes 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power 7 is 128. So 128 plus 8, you get 136 plus 3, 139. Okay. So this number is 139. So similarly, you can check this number also. यहाँ पे हमने कौन सा नंबर लिया था 53. Okay, 53 का हमने ये आंसर निकाला था. So you can just make a cross check whether it is correct or not. So first is 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, we'll take from the right side 1 into 2 to the power 0. फिर अगला क्या होगा बताओ? What will be the next?
1 into 2 की power 1.
हाँ?
1 into 2 की power 1.
2 to the power 1.
1 into क्यों होगा? अगला टर्म कौन सा है?
हाँ तो 0 into 2 की power 1.
हाँ 0 into
This number only, yes.
हाँ
2 power 1.
2 की पावर 1.
1.
फिर अगला बताओ.
1 into
1 into
2 की power 2.
3. 2.
1 into 2 की पावर 2.
Yes.
हाँ
And it
फिर
goes on like this.
goes on नहीं, फुल बताओ पूरा.
2 into 2 की power
0
3.
into 2.
0 into 2 की पावर
2 to
3.
the power 3.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay,
1
next
into 2
term.
to the power
Prabhuji, I
4.
have a doubt in this.
Yes.
ये जो पावर्स है वो हमेशा 0 से स्टार्ट होंगी.
Yes. 0 से.
तो इसके पीछे कोई रीजन है क्या प्रभुजी?
Reason is like it is starting from 1. When you see when you are dividing na, so in the end this remainder is always 1. End
Yes,
में,
Prabhuji.
so therefore the first multiplication has to be start with 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1.
Okay, Prabhuji.
So what is the next term?
0 into 10 की power 1 into 2 की power 4.
1 into 2 की power 4.
4.
Next term.
1 into 2 की power 5.
1 into 2 की power
2 की
5.
power 5.
Okay, so now we will put the terms properly. 2 to the power 5 कितना होगा? We'll add these terms.
32.
हाँ?
32.
32. So 32 plus 2 to the power 4. 16.
16.
Yes.
16.
Plus
Plus
0. 0.
0 is not required to write. Then 2 to the power 2.
Plus 4.
4
Plus
plus
4.
4. Yes.
Plus 1.
2.
Yes.
This is becomes 0, na?
Yes.
0 into 2.
Last term also 0, Prabhuji.
Last term is 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1.
Yes.
So 1 into 1 कितना हो गया?
1.
Okay. So what you get? You add this. What is the answer?
53.
53. So this is verified. You can see.
Prabhuji,
53
it is
का.
very easy. Na?
Huh?
It is very, very easy.
Yes, it is easy. It is not difficult.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So
Yes, Prabhuji.
in this way we convert the decimal number into binary number into decimal number.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay.
Prabhuji, I have a doubt.
Yes.
अगर वो डेसिमल से वो बाइनरी वाला था, आप एक बार स्क्रॉल करेंगे ऊपर की साइड प्रोजी.
हाँ.
करिए एक मिनट. अगर यहाँ पे ये ना होता, ये जो 139 का बेस है 10, अगर वो ना होता वो तो भी ऐसे ही आता.
हाँ, ये तो हमने अपने इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए लिखा हुआ है. बेस 10 मतलब कि so that we know that 139 is in decimal number system. Okay, there are different types of number system. Decimal number system में 10 बेसिक नंबर्स होते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes,
इसी तरह
yes.
ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम होता है, उसमें 8 बेसिक नंबर्स होते हैं. हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम होता है, उसमें 16 बेसिक नंबर्स होते हैं. और
Yes.
बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम होता है, उसमें 2 बेसिक नंबर्स होते हैं, 0 and 1. ओके.
प्रभु जी, तो जो हमने अभी नीचे आंसर 53 निकाला, तो उसके बेस में भी ये 10 आएगा.
हाँ, that you can write it base 10. 53 base 10 is equal to 111000101 base 2 like this.
प्रभु जी, और ये अगर यहाँ ऑड की जगह कोई इवन नंबर में आंसर आता तो
भी कोई बात नहीं, इवन का इवन आ जाएगा. इवन का एग्जांपल ले लो. मान लो we take it 36.
Yes.
Okay. So you divide it by 2, remainder is 0.
Yes.
And here you will get 18. Divided by 2, remainder is 0. Here you will get 9. Divided by 2, remainder is 1. You will get here 4. Divided by 2, remainder is 0. You get here 2. Divided by 2, remainder is 0. You get here 1. Okay. So 1. So the number you got is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay.
प्रभु जी, तो इसके इक्वल टू में 36 का बेस 10 आएगा.
हाँ, इसके इक्वल में 36 बेस 10. दिस इज बेस 2. ओके.
यस प्रभु जी.
And here you will get 36. This is equal to 36 base 10.
10. Yes, Prabhuji.
अब इसको तुम चेक कर सकते हो. दिस इज 2 to the power 0, 2 to the
Yes.
power 1, दिस इज 2 to the power 2. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 4.
4 हो जाएगा.
This is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. 5 में हो जाएगा 32.
32 and 4 is equal to 36. Yes,
Yes.
Prabhuji, it's correct.
Okay. Clear? So this is for today. I'll not. Don't want to start another topic today because time is only 6, 7, 8 minutes. But yes.
Why we take 10 and 2 as base number only?
Why we take what?
This 10 as base number.
Your voice is not clear. What are you asking?
So here it is written 139 base
Yes.
10.
Yes, yes.
Why we take 10 as base?
Base, so that we can identify that 139 belongs to which number system. Just like there is another number system called octal number system. So this is 2, if it is written 213 base 8. Okay, so it is not equal to 213 base 10. Generally we work in decimal number system, base 10. Okay, whatever studies we do in decimal number system, base 10. But if it is written in octal number system, then this is not equal to 213 in base 10, which we study. You understand?
Yes.
I will give you example, like just like this length, this is a straight line. Okay, and if I tell you the the length of this line is 10 units. Okay, 10 units. So if I tell you I want the length 50% or half of this line, so how much it will come? Half of this line.
5.
50% is 5. Okay, so this is half, and there is another line which is 8 units long. 8 units long, and if I tell you I want half of this length, 50%, how much it is?
4.
4. So you see, both places I asked same thing, half of this length, but one place it is 5 unit, one place it is 4 unit. You understand? So octal number system has 8 basic numbers from 0 to 7, and decimal number system has 10 basic numbers from 0 to 9. So 213 of octal number system is not equal to 213 of decimal number system. So therefore we write like 139 base 10, so that we understand 139 belongs to decimal number system, and here we have written base 2, so we understand that this number belongs to binary number system. For example, if you write 11 base 10, okay, so what is the value of 11 base 10? It is 11. Okay, and if you write 1 base 2, what is the value of 1 base 2?
1101 1011
नो नो 11 बेस 2 इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? ये बाइनरी में है, इसकी डेसिमल में वैल्यू कितनी होगी? इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो यू विल राइट 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 0 डेसिमल टू बाइनरी टू डेसिमल, फिर 1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 1. सो इसको ऐड करोगे, so this will come 3 because here this becomes 1 and this becomes 2, so it will come 3. So you see both are different. 11 base 10 is 11 and 11 base 2 is 3.
but how 11 how it came 11 base 10 is equal to 11
11 base 10 means 11 na, in base
प्रभु जी।
10. Yes.
प्रभु जी मेरा भी कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया, मैंने ये वाला एग्जांपल मैं सुन नहीं पाया, आप एक बार दोबारा बता सकते हैं?
हाँ, आई एम टेलिंग दैट 11 बेस 10 का क्या मतलब हुआ? बेस 10 मतलब कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में अगर ऐसे 11 लिखा रहेगा तो उसकी वैल्यू कितनी होती है? डेसिमल में 11 ही तो होती है.
यस प्रभु जी।
ओके, वी आर वर्किंग इन डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम, सो 11 बेस 10 अगर लिखा होगा सो इट मींस इट इज 11 ओनली, और 11 बेस 2 लिखा होगा देन वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल नंबर. So this is equal to 11 base 10 is equal to 11 base 10 in decimal, and 11 base 2 is equal to 3 base 10. 3 is in decimal number. Hare Krishna.
Yes प्रभु जी, you are not audible now.
Okay, okay, so we end our class here. Okay, we'll discuss it in next class.
Okay प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, हरे कृष्णा।